This house is a great find and move-in ready. The entire home has been updated, new kitchen with wood cabinets and granite counters, updated bathrooms, tile throughout with carpet in guest bedrooms, newer upscale appliances, kitchen family room windows replaced with impact windows and a new roof in 2018. There is also a hookup for a generator so long extension cords will not be needed. The bedrooms are spacious and all have walk-in closets. All utilities are in and paid. There is a huge 24 feet round pool and a large lanai area. With a south-facing backyard, this home will be great for entertaining guests or just relaxing. It is close to shopping and just minutes from Veterans Pkwy. Make your appointment to see this house today as it may be gone by tomorrow.